This sweet potato bake is so delicious and serves the entire family on a budget and won't leave anyone going hungry.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So firstly, let's make the cream sauce. Into a large jug, add in creme fraiche or sour cream, whichever you can find, and then add thickened or heavy cream along with crushed garlic, season with salt and pepper, and finish off with some chopped fresh parsley. Mix well until combined and then just leave aside. Then into a casserole dish, I place in thinly sliced sweet potato. Get it as thin as you can using a mandolin, as this will help it cook evenly. If you do decide to go a little bit thicker, then make sure you cook them for several minutes in the microwave to steam them slightly. Layer the sweet potato and then pour over some of the cream mixture. Scatter over spring onions or scallions and also some grated cheddar cheese. Next, add some shredded roast chicken, which is optional, but I had some left over from a roast chicken from the night before, and then begin the process again with the sweet potato layer and continue until that dish is almost full. You want that final layer to be with the cream and then the grated cheddar and spring onion. Place into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes or until golden and the cheese and cream is bubbling away. Leave to rest for 10 minutes before serving, as the cream will thicken up and become even tastier. It's a delicious, easy meal for the family that takes care of itself and a dish that will soon become a family favourite on your table.